In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to track or how to find a lost or stolen phone in 2024. This is the latest update, and this is probably the only method to use to track a phone using its IMEI number. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you're watching my video for today, I'm very much sure you may have misplaced your phone. So I'm going to make this very simple, quick and easy. And just to let you know that this method generally works for phones that are misplaced in India. Phones that are manufactured in India or are for the Indian market and are misplaced in India. So if you're watching my video for today from Malaysia or USA or Canada or Japan or anywhere in the world, don't you worry, watch my video till the end. I will also give you a solution to track a phone using its IMEI number, and that is also going to be the latest method. So the first thing is, when you lose your phone, it becomes a trauma for us because we have a lot of things stored on our phone, and these days, not just photographs and messages, we also have banking information or access to cryptocurrency wallets or a lot of important documents on our phone itself, which if somebody else gets and tries to misuse it, it becomes a problem. So you need to ensure always that your phone has a lock on it, be it a fingerprint sensor lock or an eye scanner lock or maybe a code lock like a passcode lock. Whatever it is, you should ensure that you have a lock on your phone so that nobody else could actually access the phone, because if anybody else finds your phone and has no intention of giving it or returning it back to you, they are actually going to try to misuse the data on the or whatever it is that they do. So you need to ensure that you're safe that way. So a lock is always recommended. The next thing is, after a phone is misplaced, you have to always put in an FIR. Okay, an FIR is a complaint to the local police station. You're informing the authorities that you have misplaced your phone. So you physically write an application, submit it to the police station, or you could type it out and get it attested by them. Make sure that they have a record of the FIR, and you keep a copy of it safely, because in the future, if your phone is found by somebody else and misused, you may just be pulled up for it. So an FIR is going to help you to prove that your phone was misplaced. You reported it to the authorities, somebody else was misusing it and all those things, and you are not going to get into trouble, right? That is the most important thing for you to do if you are not able to find your phone for more than like 5 to 6 hours. The next thing to do is try locating your phone on Google Maps. So you could go ahead and use Google Find My Device or Find My iPhone app and try to locate your phone. If you still do not find it, even after you try to locate, getting back to the location where the map shows you and you still do not get it, the next thing to do is, if you are in India, get onto a website called ceir.gov.in. Now, I have made a couple of videos on this topic, but it seems like people are getting confused, so I am going to clear that cloud of confusion for you. CEIR is basically a website or a specific department in India who actually caters to this service only. If you misplace your phone or your tablet, anything that has an IMEI number, an Android device or an iOS device, not a problem. You could go ahead and first of all block the IMEI number out here. You have to report it, and if it is found, you are going to get it back and going to unblock your phone using this website itself. Your phone is not automatically unblocked if you find it or if these guys give it back to you. So you have to put in a request through this website itself. So the first thing is, if you misplace your phone, get onto ceir.gov.in. You are going to be directed to this page, and you could see a lot of interesting information that is available out here. These many phones were blocked. These many phones were traced or found and returned back, of course. So if you want to block your phone, just click on this option, click on block stolen or lost mobile phone, and you get directed to this page. You have to fill up this form. So here, before you fill up the form, you need to ensure that you have a copy of the FIR, okay, because you have to upload that out here. So you fill up the form, upload the FIR, and put in your current mobile phone number and validate that with an OTP. People are getting confused when they are filling up this form. Checkbox this and submit the form. After you submit the form, you are going to get a ID that you need to keep recorded. All right, so that is going to be like a request ID. Even if you forget your request ID, you can click on this option and retrieve that using the phone number that you put in on the application. All right, and once you submit the application, within 24 hours your phone is going to be blocked. So if anybody else finds your phone and they try to misuse it, they will not be able to register a new SIM on the phone at all. It's just going to be a piece of plastic. Okay, because number one, if you had a lock, they will not be able to open it at all. Even if they try using all those useless applications to unlock the phone, it's not going to work. Even if they root the phone, what is going to happen is that the entire phone is going to go dead. It's not going to work. These days, Android or iOS devices are actually built that way. And say supposing your phone is found, you are going to be notified through your mobile phone number that you provided out here in the application, or via email, or they may just call you directly, and you are given back your phone. Now once you get back your phone, it's not readily usable since you have blocked it. Okay, it is a process for these guys to block an IMEI number, so you have to request these guys to unblock the phone again. Alright, so in order for you to unblock the IMEI number to use your phone again, you have to click on this option, click on unblock found mobile phone, get onto this page, put in your request ID, your phone number that you put in the form while blocking it. You select a reason for unblocking. Alright, you put in the OTP, you get the OTP and you submit. Now this takes some time. It is not unblocked within like 1 or 2 days. Sometimes it takes 3 days. Sometimes it takes like 4 to 5 working days. Sometimes it even takes 7 working days. This depends on the amount of requests that these guys are getting, which means these guys are actually effective. Alright, so after like 7 to 10 working days maximum, your phone is unblocked and again you can start using your phone, not a problem. But after you even get back your phone, I would request you to keep the copy of the FIR that you had. In case there's any kind of a ball up in the future, you can always provide the FIR to inform whoever is concerned that you had reported your phone as stolen. Now this goes for Indians that are using Indian manufactured phones or phones that are sold in India. But if you are a person who is from a different location like USA or Malaysia or Thailand or whatever it is, what you can do is try using those applications like Google Find My Device or Find My iPhone, and try locating your device. Apart from that, you could also call up your network provider and see if they can trace your phone. That is also an option for services like AT&T and stuff like that in the US. But if you're still not able to locate your phone, I would suggest you also file in an FIR or report it to the local authorities. Let them do the legwork for you. Give my video a thumbs up, post or comment, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.